What is the status of AI in Africa?
The development and implementation of artificial intelligence, AI, in Africa is still in its early stages compared to other regions of the world. However, there has been a recent increase in interest and investment in AI on the continent, driven by a growing recognition of the potential benefits of AI for various industries and sectors, such as healthcare, agriculture, and financial services. There are challenges to the growth of AI in Africa, including a lack of data, infrastructure, and skilled personnel. However, initiatives and organizations are emerging to address these challenges and promote the development and use of AI in Africa. Overall, the future of AI in Africa is promising, but much work still needs to be done to overcome the current obstacles and fully realize its potential.
What do you think of the main challenges of AI research in Africa then?
There are several main challenges to AI research in Africa, including 1. Lack of data. One of the biggest challenges facing AI researchers in Africa is the lack of data, which is essential for training and testing machine learning algorithms. This is due to a lack of investment in data collection and storage infrastructure, as well as data privacy concerns. 2. Limited access to resources and infrastructure. Many African countries lack the resources and infrastructure necessary to support AI research and development, such as high-performance computing hardware and software. 3. Lack of skilled personnel. There is a shortage of AI researchers, engineers, and data scientists in Africa, making it difficult to build and sustain AI research teams. 4. Cultural and social barriers. AI is a relatively new field in Africa, and there may be cultural and social barriers to its adoption, such as a lack of understanding of its potential benefits and a lack of trust in technology.
Good points. Do you think the current AI systems use data from Africa? How much of the current AI systems uses data sources from Africa?
The use of data sources from Africa in AI research is still limited, although it is increasing. A major challenge facing AI researchers in Africa is the lack of data, which is essential for training and testing machine learning algorithms. This is due to a lack of investment in data collection and storage infrastructure, as well as data privacy concerns. As a result, most AI models and systems are developed using data from other regions, primarily Europe and North America. This can lead to AI systems that are not well suited to the unique challenges and conditions in Africa and can result in biased outcomes. However, there are efforts underway to increase the use of data from Africa in AI research, such as the development of African data repositories, the establishment of data privacy regulations, and the promotion of data sharing initiatives. The goal is to ensure that AI systems are developed with a more diverse range of data, leading to more accurate and fair outcomes.
I am aware that currently OpenAI is not open for many African countries. What is the percentage of ChatGPT availability by continent?
OpenAI does not provide information on the percentage of availability of ChatGPT by continent. However, it is a cloud-based language model that can be accessed through the OpenAI API, which is available worldwide.
Maybe I should restructure my question. For example, why is ChatGPT not working in Ethiopia?
I'm not aware of any specific issues that would prevent ChatGPT from working in Ethiopia. However, there could be several reasons why you might be experiencing difficulty accessing ChatGPT in Ethiopia, such as internet connectivity issues, problems with the OpenAI API, or other technical issues. If you're still having trouble, I would recommend reaching out to OpenAI's support team for further assistance.
That is a good comment. Perhaps, we will pass the question to OpenAI team. Do you think there is a systemic bias towards Africa when it comes to AI?
There is evidence that AI systems and models can perpetuate existing biases and discrimination, and this can impact marginalized communities, including communities in Africa. This is because AI systems are trained on data that reflects the biases and prejudices of the society in which they were created. This can result in outcomes that are unfair or unjust. For example, there is a lack of diverse training data for AI systems in Africa, which can lead to lower performance for African languages and a lack of cultural relevance in AI applications. Additionally, AI applications are often developed for the global north, with little consideration for the specific needs and contexts of African countries. This can lead to the deployment of AI systems that are not well suited for African environments and that do not address local challenges effectively. It is important to recognize these biases and work towards developing AI systems that are fair, equitable, and inclusive for all communities, including those in Africa. This involves developing AI systems that are trained on diverse, representative data, and that are designed with a clear understanding of the cultural and social context in which they will be used.
How about big techs like Google? Do you think they are using African data in their AI?
Yes, it is possible for companies like Google to use data from Africa in their AI systems and models. However, the extent to which African data is used can vary greatly depending on the company and the specific AI system or model in question. In general, AI systems are trained on large datasets that reflect the patterns and biases of the data they are trained on. If the data used to train AI systems is limited or not representative of African populations, it can result in AI systems that are less effective and less relevant for African users. Therefore, it is important for companies like Google to ensure that their AI systems are trained on diverse and representative data, including data from Africa, in order to improve the accuracy and relevance of their AI systems for African users. It is also important for African countries and communities to have control over their own data and to ensure that it is used ethically and responsibly. This includes taking steps to protect personal privacy and to ensure that data is not used for discriminatory or harmful purposes.
It was really great talking with you. I have only one last question for you. What should Africans do to increase diversity in AI systems? What is your advice for Africans?
There are several steps that African countries and communities can take to increase diversity in AI systems. 1. Encouraging local development, supporting the development of AI applications and systems that are specifically designed for African contexts and that address local needs and challenges. 2. Collecting and sharing diverse data, encouraging the collection and sharing of diverse data, including data that reflects the diversity of African populations and cultures, to ensure that AI systems are trained on representative data. 3. Promoting digital literacy, providing access to digital literacy training and education, so that people in Africa can understand how AI systems work and how they can use them to address local challenges. 4. Engaging with the global AI community, and participating in international initiatives to promote diversity and inclusion in AI. 5. Developing data privacy and ethics laws, developing and implementing data privacy and ethics laws and regulations to protect personal data and to ensure that it is used in a responsible and ethical manner. 6. Fostering collaboration between governments, businesses, universities, and civil society organizations to promote diversity and inclusion in AI and to ensure that AI systems are developed and used in a responsible and ethical manner. By taking these steps, African countries and communities can help to increase diversity in AI systems, improve their relevance and effectiveness for African populations, and ensure that AI is used in a responsible and equitable manner.
Thank you for listening and subscribe to get notifications on upcoming videos.